Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by installing your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In settings, scroll down to access apps. Then tap on Manage Apps and tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Following that, click on Default Apps and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser. Last but not least, just click on your new downloaded app to apply it. So when I do that and go back, I can see that my browser app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!